you got a girl? How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? The feeling is reckless. I'm knowing it's selfish. Knowing I'm desperate. Getting on it and falling all over love. I do it till it's last.
Hey guys, it's Wrapfiqah. Welcome to my channel. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little prom queen makeup tutorial for you guys. It's like a little... It's a natural beat. I kind of went heavy on my blush, but I'm kind of into it or whatever. But yeah, it's like, it took me 5 hours to put these live. But yeah, it's like a pretty easy, natural, glowy, dewy, royal look, you know, like. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So on my prom day, I didn't do my makeup. My sister did my makeup, so I don't have all the products she used and everything. Like, I have some of them because she used a lot of my products because I was like, you better use my stuff. But some of it I don't have, so we're just gonna like wing it and see what happens. So she used like a illuminating primer, and I'm between using the Cover FX one and the Pores No More by, hold on. Pores No More by Dr. Brandt. Okay, so I've decided to take my Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer and putting that on my face. I also used my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer, which is what Mario Denevanovic, you know, Makeup by Mario, uses as primer on Kim and all his clients. So I'm just gonna take this little illuminating primer. I also want to try putting a little liquid primer on before my foundation. So I'm going to take my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid in Prosecco Pop. So on prom, we just used my Makeup Forever foundation. But I like put some Giorgio Armani foundation on my hand. So we're just going to mix those two together and use that. She used about 2 pumps. I'm just gonna use 1.5 right now. Ooh, I actually like the color this made together. The color is a little off, but I know that's from my Giorgio Armani because I brought my Giorgio Armani when I was a little bit lighter. It was like the dead of winter. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer in the color Golden. This isn't the concealer I used at prom. I know she used the black opal concealer. And I'm gonna take my Booty Blender and blend this all out. Prom was so much fun. So if you guys haven't watched my prom vlog, which you, oh, this is getting dry, which you should have because it was a kid, you know that, you know, I won prom queen, which obviously you know from this tutorial, but anyways, literally I had the best time with all my friends. It honestly made me sad though because I was like, wow, like it's graduation, like I'm not gonna see all my gang no more, like what? Like what? My gang, my babies, like. But senior year has been pretty good anyways. Like prom was so much fun. The whole year has been like fun. Like a couple of my friends graduated early, so I don't see them as much, but okay, I gotta be quiet for like 5 seconds. I gotta put on my setting powder. And I'll be using my RCMA setting powder. No color translucent powder. The packaging's awful for it. So I wanted to keep it really bronzy for prom. Like I didn't want to be like contoured and like cinched. I want to be like glowy and cinched, you feel me? So I used a bronzer, and I used this powder bronzer from ABH. Look at that packaging though. Ow! And I got it in the shade Cappucino, which is like a little dark for me, but the girl said it would work. So like I could have got saddle, but I wanted something that would work in summer because I get really deep tan. So I was like, I'm not gonna buy this and not be able to use it for like 6 months because my tan stays like almost all the way through winter. So I was like, I'm not doing that. So I'm just gonna, I low-key have no idea what I'm doing, FYI. Oh, I bought this so I can like really do it the cute way. I have no idea how to do this. I've never done it with one of these spongy things, but we're gonna see how it goes. So we picked the powder up, the RC Matte, and we're just gonna... Oh yeah, it's perfect. Ooh, too high. Yeah, this is too high. So we're gonna wipe this off. Ooh, she cute. Don't worry. I think this all look okay, because I know everyone's probably thinking like, dang, she look a wreck. But she's gonna look cute at the end, so don't try it. Okay, so I don't know if I want to use the Milani Luminoso. Is this what this is? No, this Coral Cove blush, or my By Terry blush. Let's try the By Terry first and see what it does. See what she's up to. I keep my brush in this side instead of that neon pink because who's wearing that on their face? Has a lot of kickback. We're just gonna... interesting. Next, I'm gonna put a color in my crease just to add some depth. And I'm gonna be taking Sienna, the ABH shade right there. This is what I did for prom, but my sister took a color from her Viseart palette, and it's honestly pretty, it was pretty similar to Sienna. Before I put on my mascara and my highlight, which is all I have to do, and my lips, I like to take my Urban Decay setting spray, and I learned this from Melissa Ashley, and she just sprays her whole face until she's drenched, and then she like blends the beauty blender in, and to make sure everything's just like flawless. So we're gonna do that right now. Next, I'm gonna be taking my ABH X Amrezy highlighter and putting that on my face, because she said it also does work better after you spray setting spray already. I'm gonna be taking my Real Techniques contour brush and putting this highlighter on. The ABH Amrezy highlighter makes your highlighter look so natural and just like glowy. I'm gonna top it off with a little ABH glow kit. Like, this is so cute and like natural, like, ooh, but we don't want to be natural right now. We want to be extra. So I think we're going to, what are we feeling to pick up? Why is this not focusing? There it goes. I think we're feeling some of this because I think we want to blind. We want to be blinding. Oh! Oh, I can see my own reflection in my nose. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking my NYX Worth the Hype mascara and putting that on my lashes. I have my Jasmine X eyeliner lashes in the style Jibby. One thing that's very different from prom about these lashes is that my sister put them on, and I don't know if I can do this, so make some prayers. I finally got these lashes on, so let's keep going with the look. We only have one more step to go. My sister used like a brown lip liner. Let me see if I have one like the one she used. Okay, so I wiped off the lip liner, but there's a little bit left, so it's like a little, like it's a little reddy brownie. This is my whole look. Oh, wait, I think we forgot some finishing touches. Let me go get them, 1 second. Okay, now we have the full look. We have the full beat. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to join the fam. Thank you guys so much for 1K. I think this is the first time I'm making a video since I hit 1K, so thank you guys so much. I hit 1,000 subscribers. And since it's summer now, I'm gonna be posting like super often, so I think you'll really want to push that subscribe button or whatever. Why? Oh my god, my little eyes hurt. Okay, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you like this look. Don't comment if you don't like it, because that's rude. But thank you guys for watching. Peace out, Girl Scouts.